Control, this is Delta 7. We have enemy activity in the area.
Copy that.
Target, neutralize hostiles.
Control, we've got positive contact. Acknowledged. Requesting permission to engage the enemy.
Direct action authorized.
Carter, engage all hostiles. Do not fire on allied troops. That's a kill. Direct hit.
Стука! Чека, блядь!
Good shot. That's a kill. Tango down. Good shot. That's a kill. Tango down. Direct
Muchas
hit.
gracias, afición. Este para vosotros.
Good shot. That's a kill.
Oh shit, not good.
Control, you've neared the Edwards Avenue Bridge. KPR troops have taken the area. Secure the bridge.
Copy that, Delta 7. Carter, fire at will. Target eliminated. AD destroyed. Enemy vehicle down.
What the hell? Oh my God, no way, yeah, yeah.
Kill confirmed. Tango down. Direct hit. That's a kill. Good shot. Delta 7, we've secured the bridge.
Copy. A fire team's going in to rig charges on the bridge.
Сука, блядь!
Delta 7,
Defend our fire team at all costs.
Tango down. That's a kill. Tango down. Direct hit. That's a kill. Tango down. Delta 7, we've placed the explosives under the bridge.
Copy that, Torres. Regroup with your platoon.
Roger that. Good shot. Delta 7, we've linked up with the platoon.
Copy. Charges have been set. We're going to dim the bridge. AC-130 team, nice work.
AC-130 team, this is Delta 9. Third platoon is on the shore side of the General S.C. Butler Bridge and is requesting assistance. Roger that. Pilot, get us to Butler Bridge.
Copy.
Why do I know that name?
One of the most decorated military men in our nation's history. Back in 34,
That's a
we
kill.
coup against FDR.
We're Tango down.
Trying to overthrow Roosevelt? True story. We're nearing the bridge.
Direct hit.
Control, we've got hostiles on the ground.
Copy that. Carter, direct action is authorized. Vehicle destroyed. Vehicle neutralized. That's a kill.
AC-130 team. We've arrived at Butler Bridge.
Delta 9, we've arrived. Ready for interdiction.
Control. Clear and secure a landing zone on the harbor side of the bridge.
Copy that. Delta 9, we've secured the LZ.
Copy that. Mendoza, the fire team is cleared for action.
Roger that, Delta 9. Moving in.
Control, the fire team is going to place charges under the Butler Bridge. Provide support for them.
Copy that. Carter, cover the fire team as they demo the bridge. Fire on those enemy soldiers right there. Kill confirmed. Tango down. Direct hit. Good shot. That's a kill.
Son of a bitch. We just lost an allied helo.
Remain focused on protecting the fire team. Kill confirmed. Good shot. That's a kill. Tango down. Kill confirmed. Hostiles in view. Take them out. Good shot. That's a kill. Kill confirmed. Tango down. Contact on enemy troops. That's a kill. Direct hit. Tango down. That's a kill. Direct hit. Good shot. Kill confirmed. That's a kill. Good shot. Direct hit. That's a kill. Kill confirmed. Tango down.
Control, do you have a visual on the oil refinery?
Affirmative.
It's not a viable target. Can't risk hitting it.
Roger that. Carter, do not fire on the oil refinery near the bridge. Again, do not hit the refinery. KPR vehicles inbound. That's a kill. Enemy vehicle approaching. Good shot. AV destroyed. Kill confirmed. That's a kill. Good shot.
Delta 9, we'll set the charges. Copy that. Regroup with the platoon.
Direct hit. That's a kill. Tango down.
Delta 9 whirling, Cap. Right him if you got him. Charges set to detonate. Thanks for the support, AC-130 team. Moving clear to neutralize all hostile installations.
Carter, engage the enemy
our bridge. Got
Target
KPR
eliminated.
troops on either side.
We're coming in to provide support. Pilot, take us to the bridge.
Copy that. Heading to Morningstar Bridge.
I can't believe we're blowing up American bridges.
Bastards, we're rebuilding everything.
Good shot. When?
1814. The enemy burned the White House and the rest of the Capitol to the ground. First things
That's a
first.
kill.
We put these guys in body bags. Then we rebuild. We've arrived at Morningstar Bridge.
Captain Turner, we're in position.
Acknowledged. We've set explosives on the bridge. The countdown's already started. We need to get to the shore. Can you send the herd a little?
Affirmative. Carter, clear a path so that Anvil Company can get to the shore side of the bridge. Kill confirmed. Tango down. Good shot. Turner, we've weakened the KPR forces. Make your way through.
Watch our backs, Control. We're going in.
Kill confirmed. That's a kill. Tango down. Kill confirmed. Direct hit. Tango down. Kill confirmed. Direct hit. That's a kill. Kill confirmed. Watch your fire. Friendlies are wearing flashing lights.
Control, we've got KPR troops moving in from the shore. They're blocking Turner's team.
God damn it. Turner, this is Control. Hostiles moving on your position.
Copy that. Can we get some air support?
On it. Carter, take out good enemy reinforcements. That's a kill. AP destroyed. Direct hit. Tango down. That's a kill. Direct hit.
Thanks for the support.
Try crossing that, you bastards.
We're still taking fire down here.
Copy that. Carter, seek and destroy the remaining hostiles.
No enemy presence in the area. Thanks for the support, people.
Glad we could help. Okay, get us back to base.
Heading back home.
Nice work, people. These sons of bitches require extreme sanction. We've got to stay sharp if we're going to take our country back.